More free pictures alert. I'm always on the lookout for free stuff. My eyes light up like a kid in the candy store. I'm actually on the Heritage Type mailing list, so I get these emails regularly, and I encourage you to sign up on the mailing list too. When I click on it, it takes me to the Heritage Type website. As you can see here, this is completely free. I can just add this to my cart. This is 161 fashion design 4 images. Why is it 161, you may ask? Well, check this out. It counts down. There's 162, 161, 160. The list goes on and on. Heritage is one of these things. HeritageType.com is one of these websites that's got really high quality graphics. These guys are really high end, and this is freebies. All of this is free. All of it. So check it out. 4 new ones added right here: nautical, fashion, green garden, nature. I will have a link down below, by the way, in the video description. I do want to point out it is an affiliate link, but the stuff I'm talking about here is free. But if you click on the link and you ever wind up buying anything from Heritage, I would receive a small commission and you'd be helping support this channel. But today it's free, free, free. Have a look for new freebies on this awesome website. Thank you, Heritage Type. Love the freebies.